Hey guys, it's Tony here, and we've been building out some extra features and tools for VidAttack Alpha, and this is an upgrade. Okay, so it's not a free upgrade, you need to pay for this one, but we've added in tools that are very significant, which gives us a huge amount more strategy that we can tap into at the click of a button. So I'm just going to go through some of these here so that you can see the significance of what we have done. Okay, so the first one here is the Ctr Clicks, and all this will do is click through from the search engine and it will find your content. Okay, that's all it's going to do. It's not going to watch your content, it's not going to browse around the website or anything like that. There are ways to use this that can be ethical. You can also use it for negative SEO if that's what you really want to do. It's entirely up to you. I do not suggest you do that, but for those who want to do it, it could work. Those that just want to get the click-through rate just to do some testing, this is a good tool to do that, and I'll cover the training why I've added this in a separate training and some webinars that we will do, because we can use it in very unique ways that I'm not going to release yet, I'm not going to reveal yet until we actually are in that training. Okay, so the Ctr Clicks, it looks pretty simple on the sort of basis of what it's doing, but there are ways to use this that can give us some major advantages. The second thing I want to draw your attention to is that we have added extra search engines in here. Before we had Google search engine, YouTube and Google video. Now what we have got is we've got Bing and Yahoo, and plus we added Bing video and Yahoo video. Now why this is significant is because Bing, for example, gets 33% of search traffic in America. Okay, that is massive. That is absolutely massive. Yahoo, for example, is very big in the UK. Now I'm not sure what share of the market it's got in the UK, but I know that it's really popular in the UK, and it is a major search engine. Even though it's still combined the algorithm with Bing, we can still use these as multiple search engines in the same way that we use for YouTube and Google video and Google when we're trying to rank on Google search engines. Okay. The other thing about this as well is that when we go and find videos that are ranking on YouTube and Bing, we have the video tab the same as what you have in Google. So for example, if I pull over the results I've got over here, you can see if I type in the keyword how to tie a knot into the Bing search engine, it's actually got video here on page 1. But also if I go into this videos tab here, then we have something quite unique because we've got all these different videos, and what we can do is we can click on these to watch them. But what it will do at this point is it will actually click through into YouTube. Okay, so you want to use this with YouTube video when you're using the Bing video search, and you will get a major advantage because Bing will register that you have clicked through on that content, and it's going to help to rank it higher. Plus you will get a view count on YouTube as well, and it will see it's coming from different search engines as well, so it will give you more relevance for that particular keyword phrase for your video. Okay, so this is just another way that we can really expand on the rankings that we can get automatically with these very quick and easy to set up campaigns that we do with VidAttack Alpha. Same thing with the Yahoo search engine. I've done the same keyword here just to emphasize that we do have videos in the first page here, but a lot of the time it's YouTube videos. Okay, and when we click on the video tab over here, the same thing would happen again, and you're going to get very similar search results.
Tie around your neck.
But what's actually happening here is because we are creating these user behavior signals in Yahoo and in Bing, then we're going to start ranking in those search engines. Okay, so it's pretty much being able to get us some additional click-through from the search engines and some views as well in YouTube. So that's really important. I'm really pleased that we have got that in there, and that's given us 4 extra search engines which we can use to drive even more traffic with VidAttack Alpha. Now when we come down, there's another one here that I want to show you, and that is playlist views. Okay, so if anybody's been following what I've been doing over the past couple of weeks with Ctr, which is part of VidCurate Alpha, you will have seen that we have taken Ctr to crazy levels. We had a few sort of issues and challenges that came up that we had to overcome, and every time that we did that, I just kept adding more to it and making it better and better and better. And what you can see here is that in VidCurate Alpha or in Ctr that I've done 50 US states for the keyword compare car insurance. So I've got like compare car insurance in Alabama and Texas, and compare car insurance in California, and compare car insurance in Florida, New York, etc. Now for this, what's actually happened here is when I came into the rankings, you can see I've actually got rankings for every single one of these. Okay, one or two is missing so far, but that will come in the next sort of hour or two. So from 50 states that I've done, I've got 47 page one rankings. Now what happens with this strategy is that I can take it even further, because what will happen is the playlist starts to rank first, where we have got our video at the top of the playlist, and then that video will start to rank. So that single video is actually ranking right now for compare car insurance in 47 US states. That is unbelievable, because it took one click of a button to make it happen. But what we want to do, or what I wanted to do from there, was take it even further. Okay, and by taking it further, what I mean is the old rank attack SEO system that we used previously, where we used VidAttack Alpha campaigns to rank web pages for multiple keywords. Well, we can for a single keyword. I've been looking for a way that we could do it with multiple keywords, and I've just discovered it. Okay, so we can see here that now that I've got these rankings for this playlist, if I send viewers to that playlist with VidAttack Alpha campaigns, then we're going to start ranking web pages as well for those multiple keywords. And how we've done this is we have put in here that we can export into VidAttack Alpha. So for example, I can say for all my 50 states that I've done my campaigns for, I want to increase the view count 10 times in each. Okay, I can come over here and set my retention time for that to 99 to 100%, because it's just a 21-second video. If it's a longer video, I might vary that a little bit more. Okay, and I can choose in here the search engines that I want to use. Now for example, I might just choose YouTube for now. That's all we really want to choose for this one for now, just YouTube. And basically we can just click on here to add the project, and it's going to give me an export file that I can import into VidAttack Alpha. Okay, this is really powerful stuff, guys, because I've already got here, for example, 47 US states I'm ranking for compare car insurance keyword, which is a pretty competitive keyword, I would imagine. Okay, in very big states as well, like New York and Texas and Florida and California, and we're ranking page one. Okay, so what we can do then is we can run those campaigns with VidAttack Alpha, and we know that if we have one link in that description for that YouTube video that's ranking for all those 47 keywords, once we start to do the views and the click-through rate from search engine and the views with VidAttack Alpha, we know that web page is going to start ranking for multiple keywords. So this is really, really powerful if you grasp what we've done here. And I call this a SERP attack strategy. It's one level up. In fact, there's multiple levels up from the rank attack SEO system. This is the ultimate as far as I can see, because everything, it's just super easy. It's just so damn easy. It's not even hard to be able to do this. So what we can do here is just export that, and then I can import that into my VidAttack Alpha into the playlist first, just by doing open. And all I need to do is just click on here and it will import all of that, and need to give it a few seconds to load up because it's pulling in a lot of data. So it will pull in the image here from the video, thumbnail, etc, etc, and that will just automatically start to play now as long as we've got the proxies, etc, running there. Then that will run, that will do 10 views in YouTube for each, and that's going to watch just that first video in the playlist, okay, which is your video. That's the strategy. We put our video at the top for all of those keywords. Now if you imagine how we can use this, not just for local SEO, because although that's really powerful that we can do that, and we can rank for keywords like compare car insurance in New York and compare car insurance in Texas and Florida and California, etc, these really big location areas. What we can also do with this is we can use it for e-com, we can use it for affiliate marketing, we can use this for product launches. So if you want to do some launch jacking, for example, and you want to rank for keywords like reviews and demo and bonuses and best bonuses and all that kind of stuff, you can do that. But even more important in my mind is that we can use this for the new algorithm for topic optimization. So the way that the search results are going these days, we don't really just focus on the exact match keywords that we want to rank for. It's important to know what keywords we want to rank for, but we want to rank one piece of content for multiple keywords. So those keywords that we want to rank for now, or we can go and rank for now using this technology, basically can be, you know, not related in a sort of phrase match or LSI keyword kind of way, but more related where we can answer multiple questions within a piece of content that can be completely different questions, okay? And we can go and rank for all of them because we have that in our content, okay? So whether it's in a video or whether that's on a web page, it's the same principle, okay? As long as we have that optimization, as long as we have those keywords or those topics covered within the content, then the optimization is pretty much the same as far as using things like user behavior signals and this strategy here that we're using with the playlists. So that combination is really, really, really powerful, and it makes it possible that we can go and rank web pages for multiple keywords. So we've actually taken the old rank attack SEO system and we made it 100 times more powerful. This is just crazy, crazy stuff. And even while this has been running, there's been sort of a pop-in of audio in the background there, which I've tried to cut out and edit. And you can see that this is already run because I've imported that. It's already done the first few in here. Found on page 1 of YouTube for the keyword compare car insurance in Alabama. This one, compare car insurance in Alaska, etc., etc. Okay, so it's finding them all on page 1 where they should be. And it's just going around and it's going to watch 10 views in each. And that's going to help us to rank the web page. Okay, so that video is going to start ranking on its own above the playlist, and then the link in the video is going to start ranking above that video for these multiple keywords. So everything is done in the click of a button or just a few clicks. It's really, really incredible system. I've never ever seen anything like this. Okay, so you will see the details below the video, what the offer is. I will keep this offer open for a few days, and this offer is only for the people who already are customers of VidAttack Alpha. You need to be customer of VidAttack Alpha. You need to have the full version of VidAttack Alpha already as a customer to qualify to purchase this upgrade. Thank you.